preference, guys. So don't go exactly for what I'm doing if you don't want it that way. And remember, everybody has different hair textures and lengths, so keep that in mind. Okay, so take like this big of a section. It's not that big, but it's like medium. So spray it up, cause your girl. Take your curling product. I use this, but you could use whatever product you want, sis. Don't. You curl it away from your face or you curl it forward towards your face. That's what I'm talking about, you feel me? So it could look natural. Hold the ends. Always start from the end of the flexi rod. And you take the ends, you keep holding it. Smooth it out as well as you go up. And when you feel like the ends are secure, you're good. There's gonna be some shorter hairs, but you're gonna add that into as you go up. So when you go up, I'm gonna show you two ways. This is like the Renaissance curl, girl. So you go up like this. You go up the flexi rod like that. Take the extra piece of hair. You twirl it in there, and you keep going up, up. I'm not bald-headed. Okay, and don't like bend it like this, like OD, unless you want to, but I don't, because I want my curls to be kind of long. And there you go. Do that throughout your whole head. I'ma highlight y'all. So I wanted to show you guys the other method of putting on the flexi rod as well. So there's two types of curls that you can do with the flexi rod. So for the other curl, the wand curl, you do the same thing. You tuck the ends, right? Bring it up a little bit. But what you do this time is you curl it under. You keep curling it under and under, so it spirals. And you twist it like that, and there you go. I'm gonna leave this one like this so I can show you guys the results, the difference. Some of the roots aren't gonna be flat, so what I do is I take a clip and whatever roots I want flat, I put the clip there. There you go. And it's super flat, and it's gonna dry flat, and all this white residue is gonna dry off clear. So don't worry, you're not gonna have no blow on your hair, girl. When you take out a flexi rod, this is what you do. You have to go in the direction of the curl. So you would take it out like that. Go down the curl. See? It stays in the curl. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you how to separate your hair. So, okay, little creatures, I'm showing you the difference between the Renaissance curl and the wand curl, aka Dookie curl. Now I'm separating my curls, and when I separate it, I like to be very careful and I look for spaces in the curls because it's easier to separate. And then when I separate it, I recurl it so it can stay in the same shape and form, so it can be curly and very nice. it's been like more than half an hour where I'm taking on my curls and stuff. I pinned this because I wanted to show you guys the difference between like the regular Renaissance curl and the wand pattern that I did. It's not really much of a difference, except like if you see it like closely, the wand curl that I did is a little bit more messier than these uniform ones. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, anyways, so you can either wear it like this or separate. It's your preference. Show you the back. I don't know how the back looks, so if it looks cray, I'm at home, nobody gonna see me. Whatever section you want stretched, you just I think I'm gonna leave it like this. I like it. Like the video so I can know that you want to see your girl, and subscribe because I'm gonna have more content. I will help y'all in everything. Okay?